We're just outside exploring again. This is Tulip. This is gonna be Lottie. Jasper. I'm Big Man, yes. And then you've got Clementine, who's still looking for her home. And then that's gonna be Layla now. How about you smelling? You guys finding leftover food, huh? You guys are being the cutes. Tulip the Explorer. Oh, look at Clementine's getting exploring too. Did we have trash blow in? You guys found it? Yes, you sure did find it. Yeah, you sure did. We'll put that in the trash can, huh? Cute patoot. They run so adorable, it's ridiculous. Sorry, putting that in a trash can. Who's inside of my video? These cuties. Yes. What are you guys doing? Huh? Hi, Lottie. Yes. Oh, yes. All the lovin's. All the lovin's. What are you doing? Huh? Clementine? Jasper, you got a funky ear. What you doing, bud? Huh? Little Miss Lottie's over here just hanging out. See if they find shoes. Where's your ear? Huh, Tulip? Look at your ear. Huh? Hi, Layla. Yes, happy pants. Happy pants. Yes. Hi, Jasper. Get that ear. Clementine, you too. What are you guys doing with those funky ears? Huh? But just doing another little clip before I have to take off. Everybody's doing really well though. Hi, Lottie. Yes. Hi, Clementine. She's still looking for her home. Yes. Jasper goes home on Saturday. You guys find the kids how they string out shoes everywhere? Or are you coming back for Levins? Yes. What are you doing under there? Tulip! Yes. You just want to be loved. Okay, got it. Got it, Lottie. Got it. Yeah. And then Layla goes to the official trainer on Monday. But those two girls are the ones available. Jasper goes for a long haul. Starts Friday morning. Look at you guys. Yes. Cute potatoes. Muddy shoes. Can hardly see my video camera here with the sunshine. It's not at my back, I'll tell you that one. They came in the kitchen and played earlier. Oh, look, she actually got a hold of the shoe. It's an old shoe, so it'll be fine. Oh, look at that. Clementine looking adorable. Maybe I should take the shoe, huh? Maybe I should take the shoe. Getting all zoomed in. Watching what I'm doing, not necessarily the camera. Put these up on the stairs here. They all know how to do stairs though, so I don't know if that's really safekeeping. These are puppies! Well, I got Lottie to pay attention. Yes. What about you guys? They're like, no, we're in the shade, man. What did you find now? A receipt. Perfect. Or a tag, one of the two. I'm telling you, they are like Hoover vacuums. Toddlers. Put it in their mouth. I love the tails too. They're just so stinking happy all the time. Oh, now Tulip's gonna try it. Try a rubber boot. I bet that feels good on your gums, huh? Oh, there goes Layla. She's tough, man. Did you find another one? Did you find another one? Thanks. There's more out there, I assure you. Those happy pants. Huh, puppies? Yes. Yeah, at least you're coming, huh, Lottie? You got a good recall. Good job, Tulip. Good job, Tulip. Pretty cute. Clementine, again, just on a little bit chiller side. Tulip, not so on the chiller side. Lottie obviously is on the chiller side, cuddly side. Bebopping around, having a good time. See if we find another shoe, huh? Oh, look at her being a stink. Went up on the porch. I'm more entertained than upset. They're not messing with the new goggles, so that's nice. Clementine has found something inside that crack, though. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. They're being adorable. Still got 2 of these 5 available. The other 3 are headed to their homes. Oh, look at an extension cord. Isn't that fun? Look at all the new things you're learning about. Yeah, that's a no. Thanks. Thanks, but no thanks. Thanks, but no thanks. So many fun things out here, though. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. I better get going, though. Lots on my to-do list. But it's just fun just watching them. They're just cute. Tulip's still available. And Clementine. Yes, hi, Tulip. If you're interested, let me know. Hi, Jasper. Those 2 girls right there are available, looking for their homes. Cute patoots. Yes. Cute patoots. Can't fix your ear. She says, no chance. Catch me if you can. Yes. Hi, Jasper. All right.